Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a stuck transaction on MetaMask. Sometimes when you send crypto, the transaction doesn't go through because of low gas fees or network congestion, and it just stays pending. Don't worry, there are a couple of easy ways to resolve it. The first method is to use the Speed Up option. Go to your MetaMask wallet, find the pending transaction, and click Speed Up. Here, you'll set a higher gas fee so the network processes your transaction faster. This often clears the stuck transaction immediately. If that doesn't work, the second option is to cancel it. Open the same transaction and choose Cancel. MetaMask will create a new transaction that overwrites the pending one. Keep in mind, you'll still need a small amount of ETH to pay for the cancellation. For advanced users, another trick is to send a new transaction with the same nonce number but a higher gas fee. This replaces the pending transaction on the blockchain. To do this, go to MetaMask Settings, enable Customize Transaction Nonce, and then resend with the same nonce. To avoid stuck transactions in the future, always check the gas price before confirming, and make sure your wallet has enough ETH to cover fees. By using Speed Up, Cancel, or Nonce replacement, you can quickly fix MetaMask stuck transactions and get your wallet back on track. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.